We're back again today, and we thought we would show you how to make snowflake wands that you'll be able to use in your Little Lights online lessons. So this is one that we made a little bit earlier, just using cardboard and paper and a stick from the garden and some ribbons. So we thought we might show you how it's done. Okay, the first thing you need are two things from around the house that you would be able to trace a circle around. One slightly smaller and one slightly larger. So we've just got a cup and one of the girls' play plates from their play kitchen. As you can see, one's just slightly bigger than the other. So the first thing we're going to do is make our snowflake. So we'll use the larger circle and we'll trace a circle here on some white, this is just white copy paper. Like that. And we'll cut it out. All the way around. Doesn't have to be perfect because the edge, you'll see the edge, this edge kind of gets cut off anyway. All right, once you've got your circle, you fold it in half, like that, and then fold it in half again. So now it's in quarters, and then in half again.
It looks like a shell when it looks like that.
What does it look like? A shell. It does look like a shell. Half again, and then again. So it's basically till it's sort of as small as you can go. So you can see like that. And then you need some little sharp scissors. And you can cut any patterns you like just along the sides. So we often cut the tip off. You don't have to though, depending on what pattern you like. And then we just cut any patterns. So we can cut some diamonds and triangles out of the two sides. They're the folded edges. Any kind of patterns you like. The beauty of these is every single time you make one, it will look completely different, just like real snowflakes. So we'll just keep going. What does also look quite nice is this top, which was the curve outside of our circle, is to cut some little shapes in there or cut part of it off. I might cut a little chunk out of it. That way. And then the best part happens next when we get to open it up. So that's it all folded up. So we cut just any little triangular shapes out of here that we wanted, and some on this side, a couple across the top. And then as we open it up, hopefully you'll be able to see this, we just unfold it. Oh. There we go. And open it to its half. And there it is, a beautiful snowflake. And then I'll just open up this other one I've got here to show you. So we'll open this one. Opening it up, all the way up. And there we go, completely different. One of these for your snowflake wand, but we are going to make another video later of how to make a snowflake crown. So you will need 3 for that. So if you can make 4 snowflakes in total, that would be great. Okay, there's some of the ones that we've made today. And you can see how they all look completely different. All right, now the next thing we need to do is make a cardboard circle. So this time using whatever the smaller circle you have is. So we used a cup. We just traced around it again, which I've already done. And I'll just cut that out. You can have it back. It will be like a paper sandwich, because once we've done that and stuck that on our nice strong cardboard circle, we're going to cover this paper in glue. It's much easier than trying to get glue on all the little details of our snowflake. So we'll just cover that all in glue. And then we've got our snowflake here, and we're going to press it on. I'm sticking out my hands, might get a bit sticky because all of these gaps have glue on them. That's all right, I just spread the glue around and flatten that snowflake on. There we go. And the next thing you need is a stick. So we've got, I think I might use this one. We've got a pile of sticks here that we just found on our walk around the block. So you just need a fairly straight stick. I think we might use this one today. Okay, and then you're going to attach the stick to the back of your snowflake. So mine's a bit sticky still, so really I would probably wait till that dried before you start doing this. But we're going to use craft glue, but you could use just a little bit of sticky tape or masking tape or electrical tape just across here. And we'll use this, what's this, 450 quick dry adhesive craft glue. Pop our stick on. A hot glue gun would be really good for this job as well. And then the other thing is to add some ribbons, or we've got just found things around the house. So we have a couple of ribbons. We've got some wool here from our knitting supply. And so we've just got a couple of those in the colours that we wanted, and we're going to tie them around the stick, just like we did on this one here. I'm just not sure that this glue has dried yet. It could take a little while. You have a beautiful snowflake wand. And next we'll come back and make some snowflake crowns to match. Happy dancing!